Hello guys, today our friends of EVChango sent us this EV charger that runs up to 48 amperes on a 240 volts. Let's open it and let's see what comes inside. Alright guys, so inside the box we're going to find our user's manual. We are going to find our electric vehicle charger just right here, this white panel. We're also going to find our cable management bracket. This electric vehicle charger comes with a J1772 plug. We're also going to be included a J1772 adapter to Tesla, so that way you can charge your Tesla or any US electric vehicle charger. And the cord for your electric vehicle charger is 25 feet, so you can definitely charge your vehicle in your driveway. It will also include a 1450 NEMA connector, which this is 37-inch long, so this is one of the largest cables that I actually have seen on this electric vehicle chargers. This gives you a lot of versatility because you can actually use the cable or you can just hotwire it. Our electric vehicle charger has 2 RFID cards, so that way you can authorize the charge. This electric vehicle charger also comes with a designated app that you can download to Apple devices or to Android devices, and with that app you can definitely select charging times, you can select charging voltage, and you can also authorize users. You will be also included with the hardware and the bracket to install your electric vehicle charger. Let's get it installed and let's put it to the test. The installation of this EV charger is very simple. You can either install it on one of these stands or against the wall. All you have to do is install this bracket and the plug holder. Once you're done with that, all you're simply going to do is hang the wall charger just like that. There's some screws that are provided that will help you secure your charger to the bracket. In order to connect your charger, you're going to need one of these 1450 NEMA connector plugs right here. Okay, and once that's connected, then your charger is going to start working. You're going to have to put your card in order to authorize charge, or else you can use your phone to authorize your charge. This accessory for the cord will definitely keep your plug safe, and also your cord well organized. Since I have a Tesla, I'm going to require a special connector which comes included, which is a J1772 adapter to Tesla. And once this is all together, then you're ready to charge your vehicle. When it's blinking green, that means that it's charging. The charge is coming in at 40 miles per hour at 48 amperes. It does include this dust bag where you can store safely your adapter and keep it inside your car. I hope that the information about this EVChango charger has been helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.